We are on the way to my store. It's gonna be grand opening soon. So we are just trying to figure out how the layout's gonna be at the store. And the hubby help. Oh, and baby Charlie just fell asleep. That's so nice.
Amazing. I'm Chloe. That's my daughter.
What's your daughter?
Yeah,
Ellie.
Ew, what? I messed up her here.
I'm gonna show you guys some updates that I made to the store, and I'm really excited to get this ball rolling, everybody.
Stop being so cringe.
Do you want to leave that part in? You should leave that part in. Let's get the ball rolling. You want to leave that part in?
Yeah.
Sure about that?
Why did you say hubby? That's so cringe. That's so weird.
Because he is my hubby.
Just say husband. Don't say hubby. You're gonna make us look like you gotta talk about it. But it was such a long day, and I have a little bit more to do before I start bringing in the clothing and the accessories. But I think I got the layout down that I wanted, so that's really good. I had the help of my stepdad and my mom and Joseph, so we are on a good path. We are starving. It's 9 p.m. We haven't eaten dinner yet, so we're just trying to find something that's open, and I'll check back with you guys.